is all it's used in a 24-hour period of time. That's pretty good for a heat pump. Hey everyone, I want to do a quick video on this Mr. Cool DIY mini split. This unit is a 3rd generation 12,000 BTU unit. I want to answer 2 questions that I had as I was doing research and planning for this that I couldn't find anywhere. And so I'm now creating it, and hopefully will be helpful to the rest of you. The 2 things I want to look at are how much power does this consume over period of time. In this case we're going to test over a 24-hour period. And the second one is, how loud is the outdoor unit? It's very quiet, but what sound does it make? And we're going to answer those 2 questions today. I'm going to put up a little screenshot here of the weather forecast. As you can see, today is, for the most part, cloudy. Right now it's cloudy, no sun. And then in addition to that, we've got snow in the forecast for tomorrow, with quite cold temperatures for where we live. We've been colder before, but this is pretty average wintertime temperatures. So anyway, thought this would be a good time to test this. I'm going to test it in heat pump mode, heating mode, see how much power it consumes over 24 hours. And then we are going to do this test again in 6 or 7 months time from now, when we're in the middle of summer, and we'll see how much air conditioning uses. How we're going to test this is we're going to use this kilowatt meter right here. I'm going to temporarily rewire this. It uses only 120 volts power. I'm going to temporarily rewire it so that it has just a plug on the end. I'm going to plug it in here, plug it into an outlet, and we're going to let it run through this kilowatt meter for a 24-hour period, and we'll see what the results are. For setting the precedent for testing, this unit here is in a little attic room. It's about 17 feet wide by 17 feet long. It's got the vaulted ceilings, and it's got double pane windows. It has about 8 inches of fiberglass insulation in the ceiling, about 6 inches of fiberglass insulation in the walls, an insulated floor, but there is unconditioned space below us. I like to leave this set to 65 degrees on the Mr. Cool. If we come over here to my thermometer, you can actually see that at table height we're about 68 degrees. It's actually a little warmer up where my head is. But anyway, I've found that if I have the thermostat on the Mr. Cool set to 65, I end up being in the 68 to 70 range in reality, which is just perfect for me in this room. Just for your reference, while we're doing noise testing as well, indoor fan speed, it just turned on to heat right now. The fan never turns off. I think most of you know that. You can really not even hear it when it's in idle mode, right? When it's actually actively heating. Again, it just turned on, so it's ramped up just a little bit. I'll let you hear that. I'm gonna put you up in the return so you can actually hear the air sound. So anyway, obviously the camera microphone was right next to the fan. You can hear the fan spinning, but it's very very minimal, and this is about as bad as it gets. As it runs for a minute, it'll actually ramp itself down. For a point of reference, it's currently, if we can get the reflection to go away, 30.6 degrees outside, so below freezing at the moment. So let's go plug in our kilowatt, and we'll get this test underway. Okay, so I've just temporarily run a cord in here with a plug, and I've just plugged the Mr. Cool unit into the wall. Now the first interesting thing, I've turned the Mr. Cool unit off. It's currently in the off position, nothing's on. But I've got this set to watts, and I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see, there we go. Can you see that? 16.8, 17. So there's about a 17 watt load, phantom load, that the unit draws when it's off. Okay? So that doesn't include anything on. Let's turn it on and see what it starts drawing here right off the bat. Okay, so I've just turned the indoor fan on only, and we can see that it's pulling 20 watts now. That's just with the fan running on its idle speed. So you could expect this unit to pull 20 to 21 watts continuous just with the indoor fan in its standby mode. Okay, let's turn the heat pump on and see what that does. Okay, I've turned the Mr. Cool unit up to 85 degrees just to get it to go all the way up to its max speed, and looks like there we're at what, 900 and it's hard to see, 906 watts, 908, 910, 908, so right around, just barely over 900 watts on full tilt in heat pump mode. Let's go outside and get a listen to how the outdoor unit sounds when it's going full tilt. Okay, here's the outdoor unit. You're gonna get a little wind noise here. But you can see it's the Mr. Cool. And this is the 12,000 BTU unit running on full tilt. I'm gonna be quiet for a second. Ignore the dogs and any chicken noises you might hear. But let's go ahead and give you a listen, and you can hear the noise level here right next to the unit. So that's it running in full tilt on heat pump mode. So not too shabby. It really is quiet, extremely quiet, even when it's running full tilt. So I'm very impressed by it, but I could never find anything that actually showed, you know, or gave us a listen up close to what the unit just sounded like, and that's the purpose of this, to help with that. Alright, and our temperature is stabilized now. For the most part, we're just about 31.5 degrees right now. So, anyway, definitely cold. So let's go start this 24-hour test. Well, that was a fun test to see the max. So our max pull in heat pump mode was 900 watts. So now that we got that test out of the way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this light away for a second so I have an extra hand. I'm going to unplug this to reset the kilowatt. Alright, and I'm going to plug it back in now. We'll set it to kilowatts. Let's get the light down here again so you can see zero everything right now. Okay, the time is 1:34 p.m. Okay, so we're going to run this for 24 hours from 1:30 to this afternoon till 1:30 tomorrow afternoon, setting the heat at 65 degrees on the air handler unit, and we'll come back and see how much power this unit has consumed over that 24-hour period. So stay tuned. Just so you can see, I don't know, it's gonna be a little flashy on the camera probably, but we got it set to 65. So we'll let that set for 24 hours, and we'll see how much power it's consumed in heat pump mode over that time. Alright, it's been a little over 24 hours. It's just after 2 p.m. the next day, so let's see how many kilowatt hours we've used. Look at that, just over 7. Hopefully you can see that. 7.29 kilowatt hours is all it's used in the 24-hour period of time. That's pretty good for a heat pump. That's really good. So anyway, hopefully that information is helpful. There you go, 7.30. So just for your reference, the Mr. Cool conditions the attic space of this little shed right here. Like I said, it's about 17 feet by 17 feet, and that's what it kept heated over the last 24-hour period with this nice snowy weather and cold weather. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that video. We're going to do the same test come summer, so be sure you're subscribed. Be sure and like the video. Links are down in the description to buy your own Mr. Cool, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.